Hello everyone, in this lecture, the topic, difference between a subject and an object is going to be explained in detail, but, if you are new to my channel then subscribe the channel and like the video. Let's move and learn first, a subject. It can be defined as: the subject of a sentence is the person or thing doing the action or being described. What does it mean? Simply, it means that a subject is nothing but, it can be a person or thing performing an action or being described in a sentence. Just look at these examples. Smith is watching a movie. Look at this sentence. The noun, Smith, is the subject of this sentence, but the question is, how? So, as we have said in definition that either a subject will perform an action or something will be said about it or described. So, in this case, Smith is performing an activity, and that is, watching a movie, so here, he is the doer of an action. Therefore, it is the subject of this sentence. The next example is: he is very talented boy. Look again to this sentence. Here, the pronoun, he, is the subject. But the question is, how? You can see, here the subject does not do anything but this subject is only described or something is said about him. So, you can say, this is a pronoun but here, it functions as a subject, because the whole sentence is about him. They played a game. Observe this example, the word, they, is a subject, because it shows us that the pronoun, they, performed an action of playing a game. So, that is why, it is the subject of this sentence. On the other hand, object can be defined as: the object of a sentence is the person or thing that receives the action of the verb. What does it mean? Simply, it means that it can also be a person, or a thing that receives the action of the verb. In other words, you can say that when a subject does something which affects other thing or person, so, that affected person or thing is known as the object of the sentence. Just look at these examples. He ate an apple. Here look at the word, an apple, it is the object of the sentence. But how? Because here the pronoun, he, performed an action of eating, which has affected the apple. So, an apple is the object of this sentence because it receives the action of eating. The next example is: Smith kicked the ball. Look again and let me ask you a question. What is being affected due to kick? The answer is, definitely, the ball. So, the object of this sentence is, the ball. Because, it has received the action of the verb. She wrote a letter. Here the word, a letter, is the object of this sentence because, it receives the action of the verb. So, I hope you have got the idea, but please, don't forget like and subscription to my channel. Thank you.